So when you hook this thing up for the first time and turn it on, there's one more thing you definitely want to do. You definitely want to go ahead and hook up the network connection cable to it, even if it's just for temporary purposes. The reason being is we're going to upgrade the firmware, and we're also going to get rid of some unusable icons on the screen. But first of all, you got to create a password. It's got to be 8-digit alphanumeric. So for now, I'm just going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lowercase a. Whatever you use, just make sure you remember it. Write it down if you need to. So you're going to see that screen, don't worry about it. You're going to see all these icons right down here. A lot of them you're going to take off. Don't worry about those right now. For now though, we do need to find out the IP address of this device because we're going to log into the web interface. So what you're going to do is to access the menu on this screen here, all you got to do is hold down your finger for like 5 seconds and that's going to pop up, and go ahead and enter your password. And right now we're going to focus on the IP address, so you're going to click on network setting. And that's the current IP address of mine. Yours may be different. If you need to change it, all you got to do is click on it and change it to whatever you want to. And you may have to change it depending on your network, but for now I'm going to keep it like it is. So now I'm going to go over to my computer and I'm going to show you the things that we're going to change. What you're going to do is type in the IP address to any web browser on your PC, and right here you're going to enter in your password that you just created. Going to go ahead and click login. Then you're going to go to setup. You're going to go to system and maintenance. And here is where you're going to do the upgrade. You're going to click Upgrade Boot Program, the checkbox, and you're going to browse, and you're going to search for the zip file that you downloaded from our website and simply click Upgrade. And what's going to happen is you're going to see that upgrading the system sign right there. The upgrading the system, please wait. That's going to be there for a while. The main thing you know how it's going to work is your tablet's going to be unresponsive at this point. It's not going to be doing anything, and you'll even see this little web notification pop up. Just click wait. The main thing is this can take 5 to 10 minutes. I actually thought the thing was broken for a little bit there, but it takes a while, so just go ahead and keep waiting. You will know that it's successfully completed once your tablet boots back up. Once that you see that your tablet's fully booted up, once you physically see that it's fully booted up and operational, go ahead and refresh your web page here. The best way to do that is to hit Control F5. That will do a full refresh. If for some reason once you do that you don't see the login screen like you do here, go back to your tablet and look at the IP address again to see if it's changed. If it has changed, you're going to want to go here and punch that number in. But in my case, it stayed the same. So I'm going to go ahead and log back into the web interface here. And what we're going to do is verify that the firmware got fully upgraded to the latest version. And you're going to go to Setup, and then you're going to go to Basic Info here. And you're going to look here. This is the firmware version. Here's the build date. It's in my case, I upgraded it to a June 1st, 2020 build date, and you can see 200601. So when you're watching this video, there may be a newer firmware, but the main thing is what you're going to want to do is look at the firmware build date before you upgrade, and after you upgrade, confirm that the build date is the newest one that you have. So that's all you do.